Get ready for the action because we are diving straight into the news. Xiaomi Corp is aggressively boosting its financial strategy, stepping up share repurchases in Hong Kong while simultaneously gearing up for a major electric vehicle launch. We break down exactly what this means for the company's long-term growth and investor confidence right now. We reveal all the leaked specs, from the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset to the incredible camera hardware featuring Leica-tuned lenses. And finally, prepare for pure performance. The Xiaomi YU7 GT has shattered expectations, claiming the Nürburgring Nordschleife SUV lap record and outperforming the Audi RS Q8. This high-performance EV packs 990 horsepower and a massive range, proving that Xiaomi is serious about leading the charge in the electric mobility revolution. Stay with us for the full breakdown. Xiaomi Corp is signaling a dual focus on shareholder returns and aggressive product expansion, highlighted by recent share repurchases in Hong Kong and preparations for a high-profile electric vehicle launch. According to filings and sector reports from mid-May 2026, the company has combined capital return measures with strategic product development. In a move to support its share price and consolidate ownership, Xiaomi repurchased approximately 3.3 million Class B shares in the open market in Hong Kong on May 18, valued at roughly $100 million. This activity is part of an ongoing repurchase program. Concurrently, Xiaomi is preparing for the market launch of its high-performance YU7 GT electric vehicle. Industry outlets reported that the vehicle is scheduled for release on May 21, following a presentation at the Beijing Auto Show. The YU7 GT features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with a claimed output of 1,003 horsepower and a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour, designed to compete in the performance EV segment. This strategic pairing of a flagship smartphone, the 17 Max, and the YU7 GT SUV is intended to energize the share price by showcasing innovation across both mobile and automotive lines, marking a diversification effort away from the cyclical smartphone market toward longer product cycles in mobility and connected services. Xiaomi's core business remains anchored by its ecosystem, which integrates hardware, internet services, and lifestyle products like smart TVs and wearables. While smartphones continue to drive revenue, the company is leveraging its software platforms to monetize users through higher-margin internet services, such as advertising and cloud offerings. The electric vehicle segment is positioned as a long-term growth driver, aiming to integrate Xiaomi's software, connectivity solutions, and user interface design into vehicles to unlock subscription-based features and cross-selling opportunities. Market data indicates that Xiaomi's valuation metrics show a premium, with its trailing price-to-earnings ratio standing around 45.5 times earnings, notably above sector peers. However, analyst consensus suggests a moderate upside, around 18.7%. Despite these strategic moves, the company faces intense competition in both the smartphone and EV markets, with execution risks related to production, supply chains, and regulatory approvals posing challenges to sustained growth. For international investors, Xiaomi offers exposure to global consumer electronics and China's EV adoption through its Hong Kong listing, while its developments in connected devices offer context for broader thematic investments in mobility and consumer technology. Xiaomi has significantly expanded its retail footprint in the United Kingdom with the announcement of its second Xiaomi Store, now located within the prestigious Westfield, London, at White City. This development marks a key milestone in Xiaomi's retail expansion strategy across the UK. The new store is designed to offer consumers an immersive experience into the brand's comprehensive smart ecosystem. Visitors will have the opportunity to discover and test the latest advancements in AIoT innovations alongside premium smartphones. The physical space will function as a modern and interactive hub, allowing customers to explore the full range of Xiaomi products, including flagship smartphones, wearables, tablets, smart home devices, and connected lifestyle gadgets. Kai Zhang, country manager of Xiaomi UK, highlighted the significance of the opening, stating, "The opening of our second Xiaomi store in London represents an important milestone for Xiaomi in the UK. We are excited to further strengthen our retail presence in such a dynamic and international city as London, offering consumers a direct experience with our smart ecosystem and latest technological innovations." To celebrate the launch, Xiaomi is organizing a grand opening event on May 29th, featuring exclusive offers, giveaways, and experiential moments tailored to engage the local community. This new Xiaomi store at Westfield White City underscores Xiaomi's dedication to making cutting-edge technology accessible to a broader audience and solidifies the brand's growing presence in the UK market. Xiaomi is building significant anticipation in the Indian market with early teasers for its upcoming Xiaomi 17T series. The global launch of the lineup is set for May 28, featuring two models, the Xiaomi 17T and the Xiaomi 17T Pro. While the global debut is confirmed, an official launch date for India remains unannounced. Analysts suggest there is uncertainty regarding the availability of both models in the Indian market, with speculation that the Xiaomi 17T Pro might bypass the Indian segment entirely. Leaked specifications point to premium hardware. The Xiaomi 17T is rumored to boast a 6.59-inch 1.5K OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 3500 nits. Its processor is tipped to be the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra, paired with 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB UFS 4.1 storage. The flagship variant, the 17T Pro, is anticipated to feature a larger 6.83-inch panel, potentially powered by the more potent Dimensity 9500 processor, also supporting 12 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. Camera systems are expected to be advanced across the board. Both devices are rumored to include a triple rear setup with Leica-tuned lenses, featuring a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultrawide camera, and a 50MP 5x periscope telephoto lens with OIS. The Pro model is expected to utilize a larger Omni Vision OV50Q sensor for its main camera. Under the hood, both phones are slated to run on HyperOS 3 based on Android 16 and include premium features such as an in-display fingerprint scanner, IP68 rating, and dual stereo speakers. Battery life offers a significant differentiator. The standard 17T is tipped to include a 6500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging, whereas the 17T Pro is rumored to carry a massive 7000 mAh cell with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging capabilities. Pricing estimates suggest a premium segment entry. The Xiaomi 17T is rumored to start around €749 for the base configuration. The 17T Pro is projected to be priced higher, potentially starting around €999 for the 512GB version, with top-tier models reaching €1,099 for 1 TB storage. Xiaomi has set a new benchmark for electric SUV performance, claiming the fastest lap time on the challenging Nürburgring Nordschleife. The Xiaomi YU7 GT has officially taken the SUV lap record, edging out the formidable Audi RS Q8. The electric SUV delivered a blistering time of 7 minutes and 34.93 seconds, marking a significant 1.76-second advantage over the Audi RS Q8's time of 7 minutes and 36.69 seconds. The YU7 GT is engineered for high performance, utilizing dual electric motors to produce 990 horsepower. This machine is also capable of reaching a top speed of 186 mph. Under the hood, it is equipped with a substantial 101.7 kWh battery pack, providing an impressive maximum range of 438 miles, according to the CLTC cycle. It is important to note that the vehicle used to establish this record was slightly modified for the testing session, featuring a full roll cage for enhanced safety and the removal of rear seats to optimize weight reduction. This achievement solidifies the Xiaomi YU7 GT's position as a serious contender in the high-performance electric SUV segment.